Dias De Los Muertos, better known as Day of the Dead, a day where loved ones, both friends and family, come together to celebrate the people who have now passed. And in family cases, we all come together to celebrate our relatives who have passed. So today, we did that a tiny bit. We lit some fake candles. We put out treats that our past relatives liked. And due to that, I found out sour belts exist. Sour straws, but whiter and flatter. They're amazing, 11 out of 10. And completely unrelated, but still great, Dairy Queen. A cookie dough blizzard. Cookie dough, chocolate ice cream, fudge, and cookie pieces. Also 11 out of 10. Try them both, and happy Day of the Dead to anyone who celebrates it. Love you guys, and peace out for now.